Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student, this is your teacher for today. Students, today we will learn about narrative text. Before we start for our lesson today, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay students, before we continue our recording or our lesson today, I want to share link for a list of antonyms. Okay, you can follow for the links in the group on the group, right? But students, before we continue to our lesson today, I want you guys to follow this video. So let's watch it and follow this video.
We wanna hear you sing, we wanna see you smile, we wanna see your face in the crowd. When you're here with us or you're far away, we're gonna try together now. Na 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 na.
And now students, it's good and that's nice. So our material today is narrative text. And this specific material is Independence Day. Well, the purpose for our lesson today is number one, identify narrative text, and the second, you must make an example for narrative text in Independence Day. So everyone, did you know about this picture? Yes. What is the? Can you describe what this picture? Panjat Yes, that's right. This is picture is Panjat Pinang. So student, do you know about narrative text? No? Alright, I want to explain about our definition about narrative text. Students, narrative text is text to describe a person, place, or anything or thing in detail so that the reader can visualize. And narrative text have a purpose, characteristic or gesture, and language feature. So the purpose of narrative text is to describe and give detailed information about a particular object, person, place, or things like that. A narrative text have generic structure. Number one, a narrative text have two generic structure. For the first is identification. Identification like introduce the object that is going to describe. And then for example, Independence Day, like Panjat Pinang, like that. So the last verse is description. Description is describe the characteristic like size, color, conjunction, parts, and behavior. Like Panjat Pinang, like a tree, grand prize, like that. So the language feature from narrative text to use adjective like beautiful, big, and small, and then use simple present tense like is here, you are, like that, and use specific nouns like classroom, delivery, like Panjat Pinang, lompat tali, lari karung, like that. And they use relative verb like are, has, and have, like like that. Now students, you know about narrative text. What is it narrative text? And now you know. You know. Okay. So students, narrative text. I want to give you an example about narrative text Independence Day. Like in the title is Panjat Pinang. Alright. So students, Panjat Pinang every 17 every August 17 Indonesian people celebrate the Independence Day. The people usually hold many games. One of the iconic games is Panjat Pinang. The goal of the game is to climb a Panjat Pinang tree and to grab a prize hung on top in the tree. The tree is marked with greases to make it difficult for the climbers to get the prize. The prize are one on top of the tree. The game requires not only skill and definition, but also good teamwork. So this is an example about narrative text in Independence Day. Okay, student, do you have a question for me? No? Why not? Please give me a question. Yeah. For Panjat Pinang, an example, I give you an example. You ask me where is identification about narrative text in example Panjat Pinang, like that. So in the identification from narrative text in Panjat Pinang itu there is Panjat Pinang is traditional game for Indonesia. Is usually played on Independence Day, August 17. This is identification. So you ask me where is description about an example. So the description an example like the game involves climbing. It's tall, slippery, or pinang to greet a prize at the top. The tree is marked with grass which is makes too hard to climb. Game is very challenge and fun. People play in teams and they need not only strength and determination but also teamwork. The prize at the top on the tree are often useful items like clothes, food, and household tools and buy like that. So this is example and identification and description about Panjat Pinang. So students, now I want to ask you again. Do you have any question? You have question for me? Or do you have question for our material today? No? So if you say no, I want to repeat again our lesson today. So our lesson today explain about narrative text. Narrative text is to describe people, animals, things for the child. And the purpose of narrative text is to give an information the child. Yes, to describe and give the child information about particular object like person, animal, or thing. And generic structure from narrative text are identification, description. Just two generic structure. So for the language feature from narrative text is use of adjective like big, tall, like that. For simple present like Panjat Pinang is against from Indonesian, like that. For usual specific nouns like Panjat Pinang or coconut tree, like that. And the usual relating verb like are, is. For an example, many people many people is always play this game for Independence Day Indonesia, like August 17, like that. Okay, students, are you understand our lesson today? Yes? Oh, thank you. That sounds good. So, this our material for today. It's very simple and it's very memorized to remember like that. Okay. Before we close our material, I want give you homework for you do to your home. Please, you can please create a discussion with your group and individual about describe this picture like Independence Day narrative text. Yeah, you must do searching in the internet about narrative text Independence Day, and you give me an example for you homework like that. So, conclusion our material, our lesson today is okay. Describe text about Independence Day. Describe how Indonesian people celebrate Independence Day every August 17. Like this celebration, people have various traditional games, one of which is Panjat Pinang. This game is unique because participants have to climb and grab a pole to win and take a prize in the top. This activity requires not only stranger and perseverance but also good teamwork. Shown in description, readers can understand how lively that celebration of Independence Day is Indonesian and is a culture riches. So this is our material, our lesson today, like that. But don't forget, you must to give me an example from Independence Day narrative text to your homework. Okay, ready? Okay, that's right. So maybe just it for our lesson today. Before we closing our lesson today, please let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye everyone.